What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Welcome to another one. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Welcome to another one. So today we're doing some tile. We've been doing a lot of tile lately. Yesterday we had a big tile job. And today we're doing some tile in the dentist's office. So, excuse my van. All filthy around here, just from dripping water and stuff like that. Need to clean that up, man. Yesterday was kind of hectic, but we're using the multi-wash today with the blue brushes and the side brushes. So I like this. It's pretty much all I use this for now, this tile. For the rest of the time I use the Namco for hardwood floors and carpet and stuff. So we're just unloading everything. Getting everything set up. Carpet details in the as pre-spray. As you can tell, the grout lines are really dirty, but it's going to clean up well. And each room is exactly the same, so we're doing 7 of these. And we're going to seal it on the way out. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. So before we actually use that machine, we go around the corners, all the tight areas, and hit it with the scrubber, making sure we got plenty of pre-spray on there. Because without the pre-spray, I don't care how much scrubbing you do, it's not going to clean. And then we go around with that, hit the big areas, and then it's correct. Alright, so we're just going around detailing now, getting the edges, making sure everything came up. The spotter bottle, little hand scrubber. We had a little bit of difficulties with the spinner and the PSI. I was thinking with the machine. Hooked up my my wand. And it worked fine, so thank God, because I just had my machine descaled last week, and I thought I was going to have to go down there again. And there's something going on, so that's good. So we had to actually clean these tile here at a low PSI, but luckily the carpet detail worked so well that cleaned it just fine. At 650 is what I had with that. So as you can tell, when you clean, stuff kind of pops up. So lint and stuff. This equipment's probably pretty expensive, so we were careful going around it. did get a little bit of overspray from the carpet cleaning one because you know the water is not in a closed area when it sprays out like the spinner is. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this up. Alright guys, all sealed up. Just mopping our way out of here. Job came out great. It's gonna be like 10 shades or more brighter by tomorrow. So the seal, going over it with the seal, really darkens up the grout again, but you know how that goes if you're in the industry. Alright man, see you in the next one. I'm on my way out of here.